Hello and welcome to this cablabel webinar. My name is Heike Thoma. This time I will show how to insert Excel file to a label. I will demonstrate why working with Excel files or a database is beneficial for operators. I already prepared an Excel file on fruit. There are identifiers in the first row. You can see art code, product name, class, weight, and so on. You see I have prepared not only text, but barcodes and logos as well. If you are used to Excel, you know how to set up tables and give a name to each of them. I called my table product. But now let's open cablabel. This is the label I want to set up. All the text fields like banana, price, weight, the barcode, also the logo are filled by the database. So by pressing this arrow here, you can see that the values of all the fields are switched. So what we are doing now is we create a new label. We go to DB connections. And then you can see that cablabel offers us several database possibilities. I can select access, but also only DB, ODBC connections. I can create a label for a database connector, but now in our case, I decide Excel. I go to add a connection to an Excel file. A new display is open. I go to Excel file, press this button. I select my cablabel, my Excel file that I want to insert here in this cablabel. Cablabel. So that's the first thing I have to do, the connection to my Excel file. Here you can see the command first row contains column name, so that means that the identifiers that I had show you in the database, like barcode, logo, product name, are the identifiers. If it is not crossed, okay. So cablabel supports several database possibilities. The first thing I have to do is to select DB connections. I could select an access connection, also OLEDB or ODBC connection. I can create a label for a database connection, but here I decide for Excel. We go to add a connection to an Excel file. Then by pressing this button, display is open and I can select my Excel file. So the connection to the Excel sheet is made. In the menu below, I select whether or not my first row identifiers of my Excel table shall be included. These are barcodes, logo, and so on. Otherwise, I am provided F1, F2, F3 as selection fields. I can also select all my data of my Excel file be included as text. Otherwise, the numbers are set in the text field with some tickets. The next thing is that I have to do is a new data source. I go to this button. I select, you can see all the tables from the Excel sheet. I select products. All the first row identifiers of my Excel file are displayed, like art code, barcode. I can select some of them, or I select all of them by pressing the right mouse button, select all. I confirm OK, and also here, and that's it. Here you can see 1 of 11. This means there are 11 records included in my database. I will place all of them on my label. Therefore, I select text. Instead of filling in text by hand, I choose data source, then database, and the next one is product name. Okay. Next one is class. First one. For the next one, I define a prefix like country, space. So it looks a little bit nicer. So it's Ecuador. For the price, we insert on one side a prefix, but also a suffix. It's the euro sign. Price per kilogram. And we insert also for the white and suffix like kilogram. So, last thing that we will insert is the trading barcode. In this example, it's an EIN 13. We go to barcode, and here it is. Switch to, we center everything on the